Hi for this. Here is my chicken biryani rice recipe. As requested, let's dive in. First of all, you're going to fry your onions until it is golden brown and crispy. You set that aside. Add ginger, chopped tomato, green chili, your biryani mix, chicken, salt and seasoning, and you stir that a bit. Then you add your yogurt, cover and allow it to cook for some few minutes, and then you should set that aside. Now you parboil the rice. Add some water with the following spices. Then you add your rice and then allow it to cook until it is 50% done or for about 10 minutes. After that, strain and set it aside. Now it's time to layer our rice. So you're going to divide the stock and chicken into two. Leave some in the pot and add that fried onions, some mint leaves or coriander leaves. Then you add in your parboiled rice. After that, add another layer of chicken and stock, add mint leaves, fried onions, and then the remaining rice. After that, you're going to add some fried onions, red and yellow food coloring, and then you're going to steam this for about 15 minutes or until it is fully cooked. And this is how it looks after 15 minutes. This biryani chicken recipe, I swear it's amazing.